Uhulumeni wase-Western Cape usemukele isinqumo senkantolo yomthetho sisekelo esithi ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo kufanele luqhubeke ngomfumfu.
Uninzi lwabahlala lunamanzi, umbane namathuba engqesho. Bambi bamathidala ngothatha inxaxheba kolu nyulo.
I would say that overall, people are not really excited about the elections because there's nothing fruitful that comes out at the end of the elections.
Cebe kuhle apha nansi eyona lokishi enkulu kweli phondo iMitchells Plain. Yendawo enengxaki eziphantse ufana kodwa ithwaxwa kakhulu bubundlobongela nokusetyenziswa kweziyobisi. Abahlali bathi ivoti zabo zizokubanika izwi.
We're ready for this elections, you know. I think our people are excited for this elections. This is going to be the hottest elections, you know, this year coming because there's lots of political parties that's going to contest. There's a lot of independent councillors that's going to contest, you know, for the elections.
Uhulumeni okhokhelwe yi-DA kwiphondo lentshona Kapa bechasene nokurhoxisa kolwanyulo. Basamkele isigqibo senkundla. Bathi baneminyaka emihlanu belungiselela ulunyulo.
The Department of Local Government in the province is prepared for the coming elections. We've been working hard for the past 5 years preparing for these elections. We will be able to ensure a smooth transition following the elections, taking cognizance of the COVID-19 challenges. We are working non-stop to be ready for the coming elections. Democratic processes like regular elections are the cornerstones of any democracy. So we welcome the Constitutional Court's decisions and we look forward to the coming elections.
I-IEC kulindeleke ukuba ibhengeze ngomso ukuba izokutyumba yiphi impelaveki yobhaliso phambi kolonyulo. Thule Joka, kwindaba ze-SABC, ndiseKapa.